Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Stevie. I'm about to give you another mod video from 2014 Dodge Charger V6. This for all my V6 drivers. Working on a V8, but you gotta crawl before you walk. Let's get it. This video is basically a swap for my stock side marker lights for the aftermarket lights. So stay tuned for your boy. Let's get it. A white thing. Let's get it. Let's get a little walk around. Yeah. This the bright white, you know. Yeah, swap that out. That's me. Ooh. Super stupid, yeah. A little walk around. Well, yeah. That's that bright white thing right there. Let's get it. Alright, we gonna start like this. Alright, of course. The lights. The aftermarket lights right here. Yeah, so this is the aftermarket lights. This is the stock lights, right? Now get your prime tool. When I showed you my video for the interior lights, prime tool, right? So this is what it look like right now. That little 30%, I don't want that. I want the whole line, LED joint. Alright. Put the description for this in the, I'll put the link in the description. Put it in there, pull it out. It's real easy, right? Pull it out, pull it clockwise, turn it, pull it out. Boom, it's done, right? I think you take the bulb out, I'm not sure. Yeah, you do take the bulb out. You just pull it. Simple, a caveman can do it. Push that in there. Before you pop it in, see if it works. You should know Amazon, like I said in my last video. Boom, aftermarket jump. So lock it. Done. That was quick. The plastic off. That's the after. That's how we rocking. That's the right side. Let's hop onto the left side. You got to do the last shot on this side. Excuse the background music. I mean the background sound, because I'm outside. Outside never quiet. Pop it out. Turn it. When I say clockwise. Pull it out. Put a light bulb out. Oh, it ain't coming out. Hold on. Get the aftermarket one. LED, straight across. No 30%, 100% across. Pop it in, we good. Take the plastic off. Any questions? Comment, whatever. Hey, chill out. I'm putting the description in. Everything I use in this video. Everything in there, yeah. It's the after way better. The after way better. Yeah. Thank y'all for watching. Steve, let's get it.